guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. Welcome. Today I just want to kind of get ready, put some makeup on my face. I'm not going anywhere. I just want to put some makeup on my face. So if you want to see what certain products that I'm using, some new things and some old stuff that is like my holy grail items that I love to use, then just keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment something down below. Let's get to chatting in the comment section. But yeah, let's get to this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the face, and I've been loving this moisturizer, you guys. I did choose this, I chose this in my BoxyCharm. It's the Glam Glow Moisture Trip, and this definitely has some moisture to it. It's amazing. This is what it looks like in the inside, so you can tell I've been using it since I've got it, and I absolutely just love this so much. It feels so good on the skin, and I just love it. Apply that everywhere. Next thing is the holy grail is my Hollywood Flawless Filter Charlotte Tilbury in 4 medium. This is the component. I love it. It's rose gold packaging and I just love it so much. I will be linking everything that I am using in my description bar down below if you are interested in purchasing or trying these items out. I think Sephora is still doing free shipping, and like I said, you guys, for my last video, I'm just gonna use my hands to smear this because I didn't grab a brush, of course. Like I said in my last video, if you have your points stacked up, they have where you can use 500 of your points and they take money off of your order. And when I seen 500 points, it took off $10 off my order. So if you guys want to try this is I think like $40 or so. Get $10 off, use your points if you want. And then last time they had free shipping last week, so they still might have free shipping. I would check it out and just take advantage of it. I will link that down below because like I feel like that's just a great thing. Like, you know, they have all these expensive products and stuff, and who doesn't want money off of, you know, their products, especially if they're expensive. Next thing I'm going to use is my NARS. This is medium 4 in Barcelona. This is the Sheer Glow foundation, and I'm just gonna open that on up. I haven't used it in a while. And I'm going to use my 𝐤𝐸 Airbrush Flawless Complexion number 32 brush. I don't think they sell this one anymore. I got this sometime last year, but 𝐤𝐸 is known for their duo brushes where you can do concealer and your foundation. And I just love that, so it's very handy. But y'all, can you see this dew on my skin? Okay, I'm gonna apply that in stippling motions. And this stuff is just so pretty. If you are into, you know, into dewy skin, you are gonna love this. And I feel like this combo is just beautiful on the skin. So pretty. Next thing I'm going to use is my Laneige, y'all, I still don't know how to say this. It's my Sleep and Care Lip Sleeping Mask in the scent of vanilla. I love this. If you love vanilla, you're going to love this stuff. You don't have to use this just at night. You can use this during the day or whenever, your go-to chapstick or whatever. And I just use my fingers and apply that to the lips. I do love using it at night because I wake up in the morning, my lips are feeling so hydrated and just so good. So I love this stuff. So good. I kind of have I gotta have some foundation on my lips, but that's okay, it's whatever. But y'all can see the shine and stuff. So good. And then I'm going to use my MAC Cosmetics Give Me Sun bronzer. I've been using this for so long, and I'm not going to cream contour today. I'm just going to go in with this powder. I am just going to go in on the skin. And if you guys can see this shirt back here, this long sleeve shirt, I made it. And if you guys are interested in this Mama Life shirt, let me know. I'll link down my Facebook page and Instagram, and you guys can message me on there. It is so cute. If you want to add some other detailing in the back, I can definitely do that for you guys. I just think it's super cute, and I am gonna start doing like some pumpkin shirts and stuff. I have some cheetah print and zebra print pumpkins. If you guys are interested in purchasing, let me know, because I've been having so much fun creating t-shirts, and I've also been making tumblers and stuff. So if you're interested, like I said, let your girl know. I'd be happy to make something for you guys. But I just love it. It looks so good in the background too, this Mama Life. Yeah. Okay, so this is what the skin is looking like, and I am here for it. I love it. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna keep this pretty simple. This palette's so sleek and nice. I'm gonna go in the shade Exposed, and I'm just gonna apply that to the lid. Shade Eccentric right down here. Such a pretty shade. And I'm gonna tilt my head up just a little bit and get this in the crease. So this is a good tip, is when you really want to get into that crease right here, tilt your head up. And cause see, my lid, my like crease of my eye kind of folds over just a little bit. So if I do that, it automatically goes into that socket right there. So I went back in with Exposed and just tapped that on my lid to make it pop even more. This part you can add lashes if you want, or a liner. I was gonna add a liner, but I actually like the way this looks, and I'm just gonna go in with mascara. I am using the Pretty Vulgar mascara. This is the packaging. I got this in my BoxyCharm. So if you guys are interested in this mascara, I will link it down below if I can find it. Because I did get it in my BoxyCharm. So yeah, I actually like this mascara. I think it does a good job at just kind of lifting my lashes and stuff. And that's only one coat. If you guys want to take it like a further notch, you can add some bronzy liner or a nude liner in the bottom. Mascara in the bottom lashes. I don't really put mascara in the bottom lashes. I honestly feel like my lashes are pretty long by themselves, so it's not something that that I like to do necessarily, unless I have like such a bold look going on and stuff. But I actually don't feel like putting on any type of highlighter or anything like that, honestly. I feel like my skin is looking very nice and hydrated and dewy. So yeah, you can always go back in with some highlighter. I am gonna set my face for more of, I guess, a glow, since I'm not putting on any highlighter. This is the Lila B cute packaging. I got this sample from my Sephora. I used 100 points on it, and let's spray the face. So smells pretty good. And I don't know, should I add a lip? I feel like my lips are so, they're juicy. I have a little bit of the I guess you want to call it concealer lips, but I'm kind of here for it. What do you guys think? Maybe I should. I don't know. Should I use my tried and true Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine? Let's just see where this takes us. And apply a little bit. Okay, that gave us a little bit of something. My lips feel so hydrated. My skin feels hydrated. I'm feeling cute. And I'm just gonna go downstairs and chill out. If you guys like what I've created back here, please let me know. If you guys love this look, let me know as well. I love the way it came out. It's just, I feel like this is just so me. Basic. What do you guys think? Are you basic? No, I'm just playing. Nah, for real. Nah, I'm just playing. I think it's so pretty and just like natural and just cute and fresh. Yeah, I just love it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like it, comment something down below. Let's chat in that comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.